I've got Craig and Paul with me here this morning, and they're going to be scraping and treating my roof. Afterwards, they're going to be cleaning out the gutters and then cleaning all my windows. Let's see how they get on. So the boys have been here a couple of hours now, looking at the roof. I mean, the amount of moss that was on there is unbelievable. They're doing a great job so far. So just see what happens when it's all finished and they do the chemical treatment. The guys have now finished. I can't believe how clean the roof looks compared to what it did this morning when they first come, obviously. The moss and algae that was on my roof was terrible. And what a great job they've done. All I can say is the windows are clean, the gutters are clean, the roof looks fantastic. I would highly recommend this company. These guys are absolutely fantastic. Really nice guys as well. What more can you ask for?